get on their ass together, nigga. They don't want that. They don't want that, nigga. That's too much power, nigga. It's too much, nigga. That's why, notice it, Duck been dissing the BDs ain't never died, nigga. They waited for him to drop one more diss song. Why they do it like that? Because he dissed the BDs and never died. Then he dropped the Chicago Legend song trying to squash shit. Nigga, you know how hard it is? BDs killed Duck brother, y'all. Killed a lot of Duck people. Nigga, I'm from Chicago, you know how many people I lost? I ain't never got a tour with no BDs. We was in tour with other GDs and Latin Kings and shit like that where I'm from. I'm from up north, nigga. I'm right down the street from Polo G. The rapper Polo G, they 1,300, we 1,100. That's where I'm from, you feel me? All that shit Polo G be rapping about, we been at war ever since the red buildings. Yeah, nigga, I know what he talking about because we be in tour with them niggas down there. We was in tour with them niggas down there. Polo G come out said, I'm from Division Noble, 1,100. What you talking about? They 1,300, we 1,100, nigga. That's what I'm saying, right? But I ain't never had no issue with no BDs. But I know my city and how it works, nigga. And how it works with the street code, nigga. So, nigga, if the BDs and GDs come together, nigga, now there's no more warring on the South Side like that. Because the bulk of the war and violence that made them call it Chirac has came from that BD-GD war on the South Side, nigga. And that's a fact. Ask anybody in Chicago. That's not saying people ain't dying on the West Side, the North Side. Yeah, they are. People die everywhere in Chicago. But they're not harder than Inglewood, nigga. Nigga, Chirac came from them BD-GD war, and rappers Chief Keef rapping about it, nigga. Facts, nigga. That's how it all, nigga, facts. Right? So, that's common sense, y'all. That's common sense, nigga. I'm telling y'all common sense, nigga. How all of a sudden, after FBG Duck dropped the 2020 Vision video, he get killed 3 weeks later? Nigga, it don't take no rocket scientist to put 2 and 2 together, nigga. Then I know people from that side, and my brother and them is like that with Duck and them, nigga. So to see him stretched out like that, nigga, hurt my soul, nigga. And then to see him stretched out, and to see the police just standing there. Just like we fuck with people that's BDs. If I see one of the BDs stretched out, it'll hurt my soul. Because I don't care if you BD, GD, Crip, Blood. I broke out of that low frequency. I was in that low frequency too. This is why I talk to all the street niggas and be like, man, I was down there before y'all. We got to come out of that shit, nigga. We got to come out of that shit, nigga. You want to fight somebody? It's police riding around all motherfucking day, nigga. Facts, nigga. You want a war, nigga? Nigga, you know what a police, nigga, what a police be, nigga. We know what a government be, nigga. What's up? Y'all really want to slide? Right. Niggas don't want to do that. You want to kill your own. Right, nigga. Right, nigga. I'm a real life gangster, nigga. I ain't with fighting my people no more. I don't want that with the police. I want all the smoke, nigga. I want all the smoke with the police and the government. All of it. Nigga, however they want to come, nigga. Y'all want to fight, nigga. Y'all want to shoot. Y'all want to have y'all want to. I'm with all that. And I'm willing to die for my people, nigga. That's why I get on here every day and talk. I don't give a fuck about that. They can't kill me. You can't kill this. You can't kill us. We'll never die, nigga. Nigga, we can't kill. You can't kill what you didn't create, nigga. You know what I like to say? You can't kill me because I was never born, nigga. I wasn't born, nigga. I was manifested, nigga. By black supreme goddesses, nigga. You can't kill me. I'm a god. And that's what y'all gotta know, nigga. So when FBG Duck, nigga, put out that 2020 Vision, nigga, that was big, good energy, nigga. 3 weeks later, now he's stretched out downtown on Oak Street, nigga. And then, not only did the police not put no pressure on his wounds, nigga, fuck all that. The niggas got away, nigga. That's when I knew the government killed them, nigga. It was just 2 + 2 is 4, nigga. And ain't nobody gonna say it. Ain't no vloggers in Chicago saying it. If you from Chicago, share this shit, tag everybody. Rashad Jamal said it, nigga. The government killed FBG Duck, nigga. I said it, nigga. I would be the first, since niggas wanna be scared. Niggas know they ain't had shit to do with that, but don't nobody wanna end up like Duck. Niggas don't, even Lil Baby told y'all in his song, I don't want to keep going because I'm scared of what they might do to me. And when Lil Baby put out that motherfucking bigger picture, what they do? They smoked his best friend Marlo, nigga. Nigga, not even a month later, his friend Marlo got killed on the highway, nigga, in Atlanta, nigga. That's how they come at you when you go against the agenda, nigga. Nigga, they might come at me out after this live. I might get a phone call like, nigga, you ever say that again? I'm telling y'all how real it is, man. Nigga, I'm from the streets in Chicago. Any street nigga gonna tell you, he'll catch you on the outskirts. Ain't nobody finna catch you on no Oak Street, nigga. Then everybody tried to put it on Dirk. Dirk and them ain't do shit, nigga. Dirk and them down in Atlanta getting money, making music. Nigga, they got a whole nother case they fight. Stop lying on that man, trying to get that man locked up, man. Nigga, they didn't do shit, nigga. And you got street niggas stuck in their root chakra want to take the claim. Nigga, we from this set, we did it, nigga. How about everybody step back and say, hold on, the government did it now. How about we come together and wake the fuck up, nigga? Nigga, that's who killed Duck, nigga. Nigga, how he get killed on Oak Street? Explain this to me if I'm lying, nigga. How FBG Duck get killed on Oak Street, nigga? It's cameras everywhere downtown, and the shooters got away. Nigga, I shot a nigga broad daylight right up the street from Oak Street, nigga, and I did 4 years in jail, nigga. You can't tell me, nigga. Y'all just get on this motherfucking talk, nigga. I'm really from the streets. Right? Duck got killed on Oak Street, nigga. That's my area where I'm from. I grew up over there. I'm from Division and Noble, nigga. That's my area, nigga. We the last hood before you get downtown Chicago, nigga. Us. My mama come out of Cabrini Green Projects, nigga. I shot a nigga right down Division, nigga. When they tried to fuck with my mama, I shot a nigga 8 blocks away from where Duck got killed, nigga. And there was cameras everywhere. Nigga, I didn't make it 30 seconds, nigga. They hawked me down, nigga, because there's cameras everywhere, nigga. Nigga, hawk me down, nigga. Because a nigga try to say he gonna hurt my mama. Okay, nigga, I'm gonna hurt you. And I caught an attempt murder, broad daylight. Same way like the shooters, nigga. Broad daylight. He up on me, I up. But now we trying to shoot each other. By the grace of God, I got the shots off, nigga. But on my son, how far did I get? Come on, man. Lil J, that's my brother, Joe. His mama on here right now, I ain't gonna say her name. Because I don't want to put nobody in harm's way. I just put myself in enough harm's way right now, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. The government killed FBG Duck, nigga. Ain't no BDs do that shit, nigga. Nigga, who did that shit and got away, nigga? It's cameras all over downtown Chicago, nigga. Ain't nobody in Chicago from the streets that motherfucking crucial, nigga. Nigga would have got their ass caught before they even got the Lakeshore Drive, nigga. Nigga would have got the Lakeshore Drive and woo, 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 woo. Ask any street nigga. Any street nigga gonna tell you, nigga, it ain't that sweet in Chicago. Chicago is packed with... Gee, y'all gonna piss me off. Chicago, downtown Chicago is packed with police, nigga. So who the fuck killed a big-ass rapper on Oak Street and 4 shooters, nigga, and they got away with it, nigga? And y'all still want to believe the streets did that? The government did that, nigga. Why? Because it's going to keep the BD-GD war going, nigga. And that's exactly what the fuck it did. Because when Doug get killed, now all the GDs riding to kill the BDs, nigga. I'm telling y'all real shit. And I put my life on the line for it. So you heard it here from Rashad Jamal. If ain't nobody else going to get on the internet and say the shit. Because niggas ain't got no nuts, nigga. I'm a real life gangster, nigga. Niggas talk about that. Anybody been in jail, me know I was fighting the police for what's right, nigga. Ain't no bitch in me. I'm really for my people, nigga. I'm for the people, nigga. And if that means my life, nigga, then so be it, nigga. That's why I get on here every day and risk my life to tell y'all the real, nigga. Ain't no streets kill FBG Duck. Rest in peace. And that's on my soul, nigga. That's on my son, nigga. I got tears in my eyes right now. Because y'all don't see this shit, man. These motherfuckers killing us, man. And y'all don't see this shit, bro. Niggas that blind, nigga. When he got killed right away, nigga, you should have known, like, oh, shit. These motherfuckers really be riding around killing us, bro. Mercenaries, nigga. You think every killing in Chicago is us? Nigga, the police be riding around my city killing us, nigga. And I'm saying this shit, nigga, with tears in my eyes. With tears in my eyes, nigga. Like real life shit. They be riding around with hoodies, nigga. Acting like they gangs, killing us, nigga. Why you think there's so many unsolved murders? Nigga, we ain't cold like that. We do some shit, we get caught. We get caught, man. Come on, man. Y'all ain't gonna wake up and see this shit, or is it gonna take for them to try to kill me too, for y'all to be like, oh, damn. Or y'all gonna Nipsey Hustle me too, huh? Oh, we just gonna, commemorate him now that he's gone and, thank you for keeping it real with us, nigga. Nigga, when motherfuckers gonna rise, nigga? Who on the slide? With the police, with the government, nigga? Right now, nigga. Right now, nigga. Nigga, fuck the CIA, the FBI, all you bitches, y'all know how I'm coming, how I'm cut. I bet y'all ain't gonna put them guns down and fight me, though. Right. Y'all tell us, y'all put the guns down, nigga. Ain't no fucking BDs kill no FBG. Nigga, the police did it, nigga. The government did it, nigga. To keep the war going in Chicago. That's why they did it. That's why they did it, man. I'm not just gonna open y'all mind on no motherfucking cosmic level. I can open y'all mind on every level. Because for me to bring the cosmic information to y'all, that means I have mastered this universe. I've mastered this reality. I can tell you all about this shit, even if it's my lowest self, nigga.